Welcome back. Today we're making poké or sashimi or tartare, carpaccio, whatever you want to call it. It's a raw piece of fish that's basically marinated in a delicious sauce. Let's start with green onions today. Raw sashimi grade salmon will help you mitigate the risk. You're looking for something firm that bounces back when you push on it. Something that's uniform in color without a fishy odor is probably going to be really good. I just picked up this nice piece of sockeye sashimi. For this one we'll use pure sesame oil, a little bit of sesame seed, soy sauce, and for bonus points, I just sliced up a little bit of roasted nori. This is optional, but I really like the flavor it gives. It's surprisingly nutritious and yeah, it looks really nice. This is a totally foolproof recipe. There's not even any cooking involved. With this salmon, I'm just gonna slice it into little cubes, kind of bite-sized cubes with this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just gonna pop that salmon right in with the green onion. Now I'm gonna hit it with the sesame oil. Sesame oil, we're looking for 1 tablespoon for every pound of fish you're using. Again, with the soy sauce, you're looking for that golden ratio, 1/2 cup for every pound of fish you're using. All right, so 1 pound of fish, 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Bang, bang, bang. And boom, coming out of left field with the roasted sesame seeds. Super flavorful, packed with healthy fats. Go ahead and just give that a couple shakes in there. And we're gonna mix this whole ordeal up. I've mixed up my salmon. It's ready to rock. I can use it just like this, or I can wait kind of 2 hours and let it marinate a little bit more and really soak up some of that flavor. But right now we've got the green onion, the sesame oil, and the sesame seeds in here. It's salty, it's nutty, it's flavorful, it's really umami, if you know what that means. It's that really meaty, delicious flavor to it. This goes well with just about anything, but I'm gonna show you a quick way you can plate it up to impress your friends and still be lazy at the same time. Okay, I had a little leftover brown rice. All I did was season it with a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of salt, and I threw it on a bed of kind of these mixed spring greens. If you haven't seen my video on how to eat more vegetables, where I talk about mixed greens, definitely go check that out. But yeah, all I'm gonna do now is just top that with the fish here, and we're gonna plate it up real nice. A high protein dish you can pull off in under 5 minutes. Oh, man, it's super fragrant. You can smell the freshness of that sockeye salmon, that nutty, kind of warm, toasted aroma of the sesame oil. So have some fun with it. Like I said before, there's no rules. You can use tuna if you want. You could use octopus. If you want to douse this thing in sriracha, you could do that too. Hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for more. Like I said, if you liked the video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell if you want to get notified whenever I make a new video. Leave a comment down below if you made this recipe or if there's anything you'd like to see me make next.